Hello students, welcome to Sophos classes. Today we'll be solving questions from the CAT 2018 question paper. The question paper that we'll be dealing with today is from the slot 2 or the afternoon session, and we'll be doing questions from the quantitative aptitude portion. This question that we'll be trying to attempt today in today's session is basically from the, we can say the area subtopic is from the area and perimeter section. Okay, so let us start off with the question. The question is that we have a rectangle ABCD of area 768 square centimeter. So from that rectangle we have a side AB, and taking AB at that side AB as a diameter, a semicircular part of area 72 pi centimeter square is removed. We need to find out the perimeter of the leftover portion. So what we'll try to do, we'll try to draw a rectangle first. Let this rectangle be A, B, C, D. Let the length be L and the breadth be B. So now, taking AB as the diameter, a semicircular portion is cut out. So this is the semicircular portion that is cut out. Okay. So this diameter is of length B. And now we need to find out the perimeter of the remaining portion. Okay, perimeter of the remaining portion. So now for that, let us find out the area of this portion. So the area of this, the radius of this portion will be B by 2. Okay, so the area of the cut out portion, area of cut out portion of the cutout portion, this will be equal to pi r square. So 1 by 2 into, since it is a semicircle, 1 by 2 pi r square. So 1 by 2 into pi into radius is b by 2 whole square, and this area is equal to 72 pi. So this comes down, ultimately we'll get that the value of b will be basically, so pi will cancel out, so we have b square by 8 is equal to 72. B square by 8 is equal to 72. So we have b square is equal to 72 into 8. Okay, 72 into 8. So this is basically equal to 6 square into 2 into 8, which will be, we can write as 4 square. So we have basically, that implies that b is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we have been given that the area of the rectangle is 768. So we have L into B is equal to 768. Now we know that B is equal to 24. So L is equal to 768 by 24. Okay. So now if we divide both the sides by 2, so we have 12 and then we have 384. Okay, 384. So again, if we divide by 2, we have 6 and then we have 192. Again, we divide by 2, we have 3 and 96. Okay, again dividing, we have 32. So we have L is equal to 32 centimeter. Okay, so length is 32 centimeter, breadth is 24 centimeter. So L is equal to 32, breadth is equal to 24. So the perimeter of this portion basically will be, perimeter will be 32 plus 24 plus again we have 32 over here, and then we have this perimeter, this same circular portion. So this portion is basically equal to pi into b by 2. So pi into b by 2 means pi into 24 by 2, so which is equal to 12 pi. Okay, so the perimeter will be 32 plus 24 will be 56. 56 plus 32 will be 88 plus 12 pi. So we have 88 plus 12 pi, which is given by option 2 over here. So option 2 over here is the correct option. Let us move on to the next question, which is question number 34. So this question is a question on basically a geometry based question, and incorporates the idea of circle, triangle, and the things related to that. So in this question it has been said that we have a triangle ABC, and then using the side BC as the diameter, a circle is drawn. Now that circle intersects the sides AB and AC at the point P and Q respectively. Now we have been given the side lengths AB, AC and CP. So AB is equal to 30 cm, AC is equal to 25 cm and CP is equal to 20 cm. And in that case we need to find out the length of BQ in centimeter. Okay, so let us try to draw a triangle. So this is the triangle, we can say A, B and C. Now using B and C as the diameter, a circle is drawn. So the circle might look somewhat like this. Okay, circle will look somewhat like this. So now this circle cuts the point AB and AC at the point P and Q respectively. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we have been given AB length, we have been given AC length also we have been given, and the length of CP has also been given. This is equal to 20. Now one thing that you need to remember, that when we draw a circle, when we take subtend, when the diameter, basically we can say the diameter of a circle subtends a right angle at the arc. Okay, so this angle will be equal to 90 degree, and also if we join this line, this angle is also equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is the first point. So now if we try to find out the area of triangle ABC, so area of triangle ABC, if we take AB as the base and CP as the height, so we have half into AB into CP. And again if we take AC as the base and BQ as the height, so we have half into AC into BQ. So half and half cancels out, so we know that AB is equal to 30, CP has been already given as 20, AC we know is equal to 25, and BQ we are supposed to find out. Okay, so this gives us that BQ is equal to 600 by 24, so which is equal to, so BQ is basically equal to 24, which is the answer that we are looking for. So 24 centimeter is the answer to the question number 34. So this is how you solve this question. In case you have any doubt or regarding the process that we have followed over here, then you can comment in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Thank you very much.